This is a D2 chord. First take finger 1, fret 2, strings 1, 2, 3. Keep it kind of close to the fret line there. Then take finger 3, find fret 3, strings 1, 2. Keep it sort of in the middle. And you strum from string 4 down. The D2 chord is really easy if you know the D major already, because you just play your D major like this and then take finger 2 off and strum 4 down. This is a D2 chord. And the D2 chord is cool because you can use it with your D major. You can use it with that D suspended. Or just interchangeably with the D major, D suspended, and D2. If you do your hammer on, you can do some hammer on, pull off type stuff. And it sounds really cool with your going from your D major to your D2. You know, and working your D suspended in there.